Invasive Japanese beetles killed all those trees. I think it's time for a lunch break. All right, anybody who wants lunch, come and get it.
You know what that means?
Nutella, peanut butter, and we got jelly. I'm gonna use the air fryer to warm up some pizza.
Before
Oh, my pizza.
I set the fire and say,
Watch out,
all that I have seen. The east wind was streaming through the eyes of the servants of Sauron.
Alrighty. Oh, maybe one or two more loads and I should be done. Oh, geez. Whoa. I don't know if this thing's still working or not. There's the lens. And I put a nice dent in my trailer.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that. Well, dang it. That wasn't great. Well, that's the only GoPro I got on me, so I think that's all the filming I'm going to get done. Oh. All right, live and learn. Got a brand new GoPro. Let's try this again. All right, I'm gonna grab a quick dinner. And since it's just me, I figured I'd eat an entire rotisserie chicken by myself. Well, I put a dent in that. Gorgeous weather, but the bugs are bad. Bugs are out in force today. It's been hot and dry since we left here, and that is good news. It's making things firm up very nicely. You see I got all that wood laid down.